Do you know how to forecast everything based on the past data like in this example? Let's go! Just one important thing is that the trend function is working good with the rise or drop data. So the cases such as revenue trends, population growth, average temperatures are very good for our example. In our case, we are going to forecast the average temperature rise. The first thing, we click on the target cell, which is the cell where we want that the forecast will appear. Next, click on the FX icon, the formula bar will appear. We are looking for the trend formula. Let's write it. As the result, we get the window with several fields to fill in. In the field Know Why, we are going to add the values of our temperature. Just select all the cells with the temperature. The next value asks for Know X, the values from the years. So we are going to select the years for which we have already the data. The last value New X are the years for which we wanna make the forecast. The last field const, if we enter true or leave the field empty, Excel will do the calculation that will best match the data provided. It means that in 99% of calculation it is the most suitable option for our revenue, population or temperature forecasting. But in case, if you write false, Excel will lead the trend line through the origin one, the point with the coordinates 0. This is a special setting used mostly in more complicated calculations like those done in physics or technical models. Perfect, everything is ready, let's see the result. Good, we got our result with the future forecasting of the temperature. Guys, help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.